Okay, in this example I'm going to do a bandwidth problem. I'm going to do the one at the top of the page here. And I'll start by reading it. When observing the frequency plot of a signal, one sees it is confined to a range of frequencies from 918.5 to 919.2 megahertz. And we want to know A, what is the bandwidth of this signal in megahertz, and what is the bandwidth in kilohertz. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that F low, the lowest frequency, is 918.5 megahertz. And the highest frequency, F high, is 919.2 megahertz. And we know that the bandwidth is then the difference of these two. And I can write bandwidth is equal to F high minus F low. And I get 919.2 minus 918.5. And this gives me 0.7 megahertz. And that's exactly what they want. What the question is asking, to give the signal in units, the bandwidth of the signal in units of megahertz. Let's see, from 18.5 up to 19 is 0.5, and then up to 0.2 is another 0.2. Right. Just checking my answer there. For part B, what is this bandwidth in kilohertz? Well, if I write the bandwidth is 0.7 megahertz, but I'm going to go ahead and write 700 megahertz. And when I move to kilohertz, I can just sort of take these three decimal places, and I can say that this is 700 kilohertz. Alternatively, I can multiply the 0.700 megahertz by 1000 kilohertz equals 1 megahertz. This is a conversion factor. Okay, and you can see that I've got it set up so that the megahertz units cancel from numerator to denominator, and I'm left with kilohertz units, and I take the 0.7 and I multiply by 1000 to get 700. Okay, and that's how you do this problem. I hope this helps.